Every year, Apple introduces a new color option for its Pro iPhones, and sometimes those colors become just as popular as the phones themselves. Last year, Cosmic Orange grabbed everyone's attention with its bold and vibrant look. But this year, Apple seems to be taking a completely different approach. The upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are rumored to arrive in a brand new dark cherry color, and honestly, it might be one of the most beautiful colors Apple has ever created. Recent leaked renders and dummy units have given a closer look at this new finish, and the reaction from smartphone fans has been overwhelmingly positive. The color manages to do something very difficult. It looks premium and elegant like a black phone, but at the same time, it has a unique personality that makes it stand out from the crowd. Many smartphone manufacturers struggle with colors. Some are too dull and almost look gray in certain lighting conditions. Others are so bright that they can feel flashy and distracting. Dark Cherry seems to find the perfect balance between those two extremes. Distance. It gives off the premium appearance of a black device. But when light hits it from different angles, cherry red tones become visible, creating a luxurious and eye-catching effect. It is subtle enough for professional users, but stylish enough for people who want something different. For years, black has been the default choice for many smartphone buyers because it looks clean, timeless, and sophisticated. Dark cherry could be one of the first colors that actually convinces some black phone fans to try something new. And honestly, it is easy to understand why. The interesting thing is that this color may become one of the biggest selling points of the iPhone 18 Pro series. That might sound surprising, but there is a reason behind it. The iPhone 18 Pro was expected to bring some major design changes this year. Earlier rumors suggested Apple was planning a smaller dynamic island and even under-display Face ID technology. These upgrades would have made the front of the phone look cleaner and more futuristic. However, recent reports indicate that those changes may have been delayed. If that turns out to be true, the iPhone 18 Pro could end up looking very similar to its predecessor. That creates a challenge for Apple. When a new phone doesn't introduce a dramatic redesign, Apple has to find other ways to make the device feel fresh and exciting. One of those ways is through new color options, and dark cherry appears to be Apple's answer this year. While some people may see the iPhone 18 Pro as a smaller upgrade compared to what was originally expected, there is no denying that the new color gives the device a completely different personality. And based on reactions across social media, people are loving it. Photos and renders of the dark cherry model have been generating a lot of discussion online. Many users are already calling it their favorite iPhone color in years. Others believe it could become one of the most popular Pro finishes Apple has ever released. Of course, the iPhone 18 Pro may not be perfect. Reports suggest that Apple could continue using the same aluminum frame design found previous models. While aluminum helps keep the phone lighter, some users have complained that it can be more vulnerable to dents and scratches after accidental drops. There are also rumors that certain color variants of the iPhone 18 Pro might experience color fading issues over time, similar to concerns raised about previous generations. If those reports prove accurate, durability could become an important discussion point once the phone officially launches. But despite these concerns, the excitement surrounding dark cherry continues to grow. In fact, the popularity of this color may help Apple generate strong interest in the iPhone 18 Pro lineup even if the hardware upgrades are more modest than expected. Another reason people are excited is that leaked dummy units suggest this is very close to the final color Apple has selected. In other words, what is being seen in recent leaks is likely very similar to what customers will get when the phone launches later this year. That makes the anticipation even stronger. There is something special about a smartphone color that instantly grabs attention without looking flashy. Cherry seems to achieve exactly that. It feels modern, premium, unique, and classy all at the same time. Whether it ends up becoming the most popular iPhone 18 Pro color remains to be seen, but right now it is certainly stealing the spotlight. As September gets closer, more leaks and information will continue to appear. But one thing is already becoming clear. Even before the official launch, dark cherry is shaping up to be one of the biggest talking points of the entire iPhone 18 Pro series. So, What do you think about Apple's new dark cherry color? Is it better than traditional black? Or would another color still be your first choice? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks, news, and updates.